Hello students. So this is a question from IIT JAM. Consider electrostatic potential in 2 dimensions and this potential is given. And see the word electrostatics. Okay. So this is electrostatic potential. And what is the line integral of corresponding electric field for the path shown in the figure? So what we should do is actually write the electric field by using E is equal to minus gradient of potential and then calculate E dot dl, okay, or you can just calculate curl of E dot ds, just calculate this, okay. But in this case the field is electrostatic and electrostatic field is conservative. That means for electrostatic field the work done along the closed path will be 0 because the curl of electric field is also 0 for electrostatic field. So you have to just do nothing. The answer for the work done, that means if I multiply it by unit charge, this is same as work done, but even if you take close integration E dot dl, that will come out to be 0. So this was a very straightforward question. We have done many such questions in class and the answer will be 0. Thank you.